I do it differently. Can't see you later. Or what time? Hold on, I get a beef here. What go on, mama? When that go on? Alright, hold on, I make the general know what go on. Here, say a word, mama. Oh, my general. No, say a dime that I just come off my phone with you, my general. Tell me, say, boy, raise, I do some business with her and pay her, my general.
So who did watch over them last night?
The boy reads them, my general, man. So the boy, they stay, you know. Always I do him own thing, you see me?
So you know how the boy live?
The boy, they always hang around a cherry bar, you know.
Alright, get the car now.
Yo, dog, I know I go up on the bridge last night, check out Cathy, dog. Me get on to me enjoy myself. I went to take me from me have to nice to my money, you know. I say, I have to just take back my money and cut it like that.
For real?
What you mean, man?
Oh,
I take out some of my money, go. What you mean, man? I have to care up on the bridge.
Yeah, man, I mean, I've been in long time, you know, man.
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
I have to boss you.
So no must.
What you mean, man? No, my boss,
What you mean what, man? You don't know what you do?
no, my boss. No,
Yo, you're in general out talking now.
How you bridging?
No, sir, I don't know him.
What you mean what go on? Say you're in general out talk, man.
Yo, boss, no kill me, please, no kill me, man.
What me said go on last night?
General, no go on last
I
night.
mean say nothing no go on last night.
Yo, Razor.
Yes, me, General.
Ramping money, you know. Yo,
Yes, General.
empty your pocket.
Yo, you was one and two, man.
Alright, my boss.
You see, me never know your people, them. We don't pay today, you know.
Thank you, my General.
Yo, run away.